Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Innal hamdalillah nahmadu wa nasta'inu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzu billahi min shururi anfusina may yahdihillahu wa may yudlil wa la ilaha So in here I wanna explain about this topology, Minilab, Maret, and the list material. The first is OSPF area, the second is routing EIGRP, and the third is redistribute, the fourth is net dynamic, and the fifth last is HSRP. So I add the topology configuration, and there's no. I guess for you before is there's RIPNG. The meaning is router interface protocol. Next generation is for IPv6, but I don't know the configuration. That I make is there are three: security shutdown, as channel, and IPv6 EIGRP. So way to make the configuration. How to make the configuration? The first one I make in here IP address, and this IP address from the two device and the four device for this one switch. So in here, this area, there is HSRP configuration and routing EIGRP, and in here in the gray area is IPv6 EIGRP, and this OSPF area backbone or area 0, and in here is OSPF area 1 and HSRP. So this the mission is can connect to server. Is already successful, and in here too. Why the device can connect? Because the device or the configuration is there's a routing and not dynamic for the configuration for go to server. In here you can connect to this router too, because in this router can there's IP address or let's see the configuration. From here there's a not dynamic, and do so not this HCMP. The meaning is not dynamic. Let's see the all configuration. This group out, the meaning is ether channel. Yes, ether channel and not dynamic. This the configuration, and router EIGRP. This accessories Oh yeah, and access list, I forget. I make a access list, which is access list, there's access list. So in here there is HSRP for this router standby, HSRP standby, and this for connect. And then in here the configuration. The whole configuration is there's a loopback is for IPv6. This the address IPv6 of IPv6, and then the IPv6 router EIGRP. Let's see the root. So IP root. This codes D EIGRP, meaning it's EIGRP. So the router successfully get EIGRP configuration. Let's do ping from here to here. Successful. Then let's try from directly this router to IPv6 router. Nah, this failed. Why can connect the router to router? Because in this router there's no IPv6 configuration, and in here there's no IP routing, like the basic IP routing. So this router can connect to this IPv6 router because different configuration and gateway. So this I make in here router the pure IPv6 configuration to show. This router EIGRP, and then there's interface loopback, and the address different like the other router. This. So yeah, it's like that, the IPv6 configuration. So in here just routing EIGRP, and then in here there's redistribute for connect from OSPF area to root EIGRP area. Let's see the so this for connect to from OSPF to EIGRP like this. Why use redistribute? Because if this redistribute the area here and the EIGRP area can connect. You can read the module, and in here you just add the address and routing. This routing just show the configuration. Like this. This you must at the redistribute OSPF 1 metric 1 until 5. Network, you don't forget the network, gateway network. Then the router OSPF 1 2, like that. Now in here I'm not use redistribute because what? Because the area is the same, which is area OSPF area 1. So router OSPF 1, so the configuration like other router in here and here is same. Then security shutdown I make in here. Let's see the this MAC address sticky, and the port security shutdown, or do show port security, do show port in here router there's interface 2, 3, 4, and 5. The configuration is shut down, and in here too configuration shut down, and in here I make a configuration shutdown too. So the gateway has HSRP different than this area, because if same, the router cannot connect, and that's the configuration. Shall run. There's IP NAT pool, there's not dynamic 2, it's access list. So let's see the configuration, routing configuration. The meaning is OSPF. The router, there's a OSPF configuration, because in here this area OSPF and in here the router. So there's other address. What is 8.8.8.1 address? This for server address. This interface 1/0, and then there's OSPF. I try the configuration access list. I forgot. Yes, I try this, but cannot connect, how to say, jalan. So maybe that's all. From here to here this can connect, but and here can connect to. So that's all the configuration of Minilab topology. Maybe that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.